guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this reflective cube edit on CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this as an example, and I'm also going to change the canvas color so that I can see the shadow later, like the reflection. So go to animation first and go to combo and select any 3D cube. It's best if you use 3 or like 4. And I'm just going to make the clip a little bit shorter. Once you're done, copy and paste that, and then you're just going to bring it down here. I'm also going to select this. Actually, let me just make that a little bit smaller. Place it up here, copy and paste that. Okay. Then you're going to select the second one and you're going to right click, create compound clip. And you're going to basically rotate it 2 times and then mirror that. And you're just going to like place it down there. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna need to put up first before I create compound clip, and then I'll do that again. Like that. And you're just going to go to mask and you're going to select horizontal and you're going to flip it the other way around, and you're going to basically feather that out. Go to basic and adjust the opacity a little bit, and that's it. You can bring like the cubes a little bit closer to each other. It will like clash like this, but like it's fine. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!